Standard second subject English. Hello dear students. I am Asma Khan. How are you all? I hope all are fine. So children, today we will learn an interesting story. The story name is Maya and the Wasp. Maya and the Wasp. Children, what can you see in this picture? Yes, in this picture we can see a girl. Okay, what she is wearing? Yes, you're right. She is wearing a mask. She is wearing a face mask. Okay, what do you think will happen in the story? Can anyone guess? Yes, I think the girl is scared with this insect. That's why she is running. Now I am going to read a story. Listen carefully. Okay? Maya and the Wasp. Topic name is Maya and the Wasp. Maya is playing with her toy mask. It is a very nice mask. Now she is hungry. She wants to eat peas. But there is a wasp near the peas. The wasp like Maya's mask. Maya does not like a wasp so near. She runs and runs until the wasp is gone. Maya eats all the peas. So children, today's new words are peas, wasp and near. Repeat after me. Peas, wasp, near. Children, what do you mean by peas? Yes, green peas. Now see here, see in this picture, the covering of the peas is called the pod. This is what? Pod. Inside the pod are the green peas. You can see here? Yes. So peas is a small round green seed that is eaten as a vegetable and that is formed in a seed case. Children, can you tell me what do you mean by wasp? Yes, this is an insect. Okay, let's see the meaning of wasp. A flying insect, often black and yellow, that can sting. You can see here? Yes. It's now children, see the difference between bee and wasp. See, this is a wasp. Okay, wasp, not much hair, and see the legs, no, long thin legs. Okay, narrow or pinch waist. You can see in this picture also. Yes, and see that next picture is bees. Bees having hair, round and broad body. See the body is broad and thick legs. Okay, so these are the difference between wasp and bees. Next new word is near. Near means next to us, which we can see easily. Let's see the example. Which of the toy is near? Yes, you're right. Duck. Duck is near to this girl. Okay. Can you tell me what is the opposite of near? Yes, you're right. Far. Okay, children, now let us make sentences with the help of the new words. First word is peas. On the plate was a piece of chicken, a potato, and some green peas. Carrots, peas, and sweet potatoes are considered starchy vegetables. Children, you can see in this picture also. Yes, all these vegetables are starchy vegetables. Now, children, next word is wasp. A wasp buzzed around the tree and landed on its paper nest. Let's see next example. The wasp is flying near the window. The wasp is flying near the window. Next new word is near. My house is near the school. Next word is near. Tom's bag is near the door. You can see in the picture also. Yes, this is a bag and this is Tom's bag. Tom's bag is near the door. Children, now I will explain the story with the help of picture. Maya is playing with her toy mask. You can see in the picture the girl name is Maya and she was playing with toy mask, and that mask is very nice and beautiful, as you can see in this picture. It is very nice mask. You can see different color mask here. Yes, it is very nice and beautiful mask. Children, during this COVID time, people wear nice color mask. Right? Am I right? Some are wear right red color mask, yellow, green, black color mask, right? So COVID time mask is used to protect ourselves. So same thing, Maya is playing with the toy mask, and this is also very nice mask. Now she is hungry. She wants to eat peas. Children, after playing, what happened? Student, we feel hungry, right? So same way, she is also feeling very hungry. And when we feel hungry, so we want to eat something, right now? So she also wants to eat peas. You know peas? Yes, green peas. The wasp like Maya's mask. Maya's does not like a wasp so near. What she saw near the peas, the wasp. Again, I repeat myself, wasp is an insect and she was very afraid of it. She was very scared. Then she does not like the wasp and she did not go near the peas. She runs and runs until the wasp is gone. She runs and runs to save herself from the wasp. She ran here and there to keep away from the wasp. Soon the wasp disappeared. Disappeared means could not be seen. Maya began eat the peas. Okay, children. Maya eats all the peas. So, children, disappeared, when the wasp disappeared, Maya began eat the peas, and she ate all of them. Now, activity time. Draw the pictures given below and make a sentence. Word is peas. So you will draw the picture and frame sentence of your own and write in your notebook. Next word is wasp. So you will draw the picture and frame sentence of your own. Children, now I will give you 1 minute to read the story. Read it carefully. After that, I will ask you few questions. Are you ready? Okay. Maya and the wasp. Maya is playing with her toy mask. It is a very nice mask. Now she is hungry. She wants to eat peas. But there is a wasp near the peas. The wasp like Maya's mask. Maya does not like a wasp so near. She runs and runs until the wasp is gone. Maya eats all the peas. Now answer the following question. First question is, who played with the mask? Yes, tell me children. Yes, you're right. Maya played with the toy mask. Next question is, why did Maya run? Yes, Maya ran to keep away from the wasp. Next question is, when Maya was hungry, what did she eat? Yes, you're right. When Maya was hungry, she ate all the peas. Now, next question is, at the end of the story, what happened? Yes, you're right. At the end of the story, the wasp disappeared and Maya happily ate all the peas. Good. Now it's homework time. Write the opposite words from the story. Near, what will come children? Yes, near, far, like, dislike. There, here. Good. Next question is, make a sentence from this word. First word is mask. Second, near. Third one, eat. Okay, so you will frame a sentence of these word and write in your notebook. I hope you understood this lesson very well. Thank you.